I won't be able to accept that offer. Obviously, it's a bit too downgraded. But thank you so much, Alina, for saying all those words.
आप कुछ काउंटर कर सकते हैं?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Welcome to Shark Tank Pakistan.
Thank you.
आप दोनों के last names similar हैं, so we can assume that you're related.
Sisters.
Excellent. आप सीधा पहले ये बताओ, how did you get into this and why pick up this space?
So I guess that would be when I was living in Canada and receiving all of this request. That is when I was like, hey, this is an opportunity in the market that exists. And Pakistan is an emerging market. So I really wanted to make sure that I don't you'd be behind the train, or ये जो train अभी चलने शुरू हो रही है of this emerging market, we get on it right on time and be able to capture the success of the market that exists.
अच्छा, तो we'll get straight into this क्योंकि इस टाइप के मॉडल्स हमने देखे हैं जो एग्जिस्ट भी करते हैं मार्केट में. आपने क्या गैप देखा जो एग्जिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म से नहीं हो रहा था कि जिसकी वजह से आपने कहा कि अपना ये शुरू करें?
मार्केट के अंदर छोटे प्लेयर्स काफी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं एंड कुछ बड़े प्लेयर्स भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. We truly believe in fostering long-term relationships with our clients, और ये चीज अभी से नजर आ रही है through the 14% returning customer rate that we have secured in the last 6 months. Just to add, we have only been operational since March 2024, so 6 months.
So what is your revenue for the last 6 months?
80 lakh rupees.
Top line, so that's revenue or gross merchandise value?
That's the entire sales, the revenue, yeah.
Okay, और आपकी cost क्या है?
So हमारी जो gross profit आता है after the cost of goods sold, that's 44%.
Okay, and net?
And net is 29%.
तो ये sales से आप मुझे बता देना आपकी top revenue, like there's probably 3 or 4 products that are would most trending. वो products क्या है और किस brands, and I'll tell you where my logic is.
Okay, so it's mostly the drugstore brands that generate the most revenue. One of them is Elf. The second one is NYX.
Okay, आपके competitors हैं पाकिस्तान में?
So छोटे players तो काफी हैं. बड़े players, the ones that I know, Galleria is one of them. Vegas.pk is one of them.
Basically ये trading business है क्योंकि आपका अपना तो brand और product नहीं है, right? तो अब इसमें आपने value add करनी है by building community and stuff. तो but there is no guarantee कि अगर आप वो community build कर भी लें, क्योंकि product है, pricing बदल सकती है, availability हिल सकती है, because import based product है, उसमें भी काफ़ी issues आ जाते हैं foreign exchange के. So मैं समझना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये long term में defensible कैसे है?
So the other thing that we are planning to do for the import market is we have started reaching out to the brands in North America. Including Elf, including Glossier. We're trying to reach out to them. We are showing them the potential that there is in Pakistan, and we are trying to do a direct partnership with them. The reason why direct partnership is very important at this point is because जब वो हमारी authenticity को validate करेंगे, जब वो कहेंगे कि हमारे products पाकिस्तान में इनके through available हैं, तो there is a very good chance that people will be more relaxed and trusted कि अच्छा हम यहीं से product purchase करें. अस्सलाम वालेकुम Sharks. आप लोगों में से जो international trips देते हैं, do you tend to receive calls or messages from your friends or family requesting you to purchase a certain product on their behalf from a certain popular international brand on your way back to Pakistan?
100%.
ऐसी ही similar experience होते रहे मेरे साथ. As an overseas Pakistani, I have been traveling to Pakistan पिछले 5 सालों से at least twice a year. और मेरी हर ट्रिप के ऊपर I used to receive calls and messages from friends, family, acquaintances saying कि आइज़ा please आते हुए XYZ product ले आना, especially from beauty brands such as Sephora, Ordinary, MAC, etc. And इससे पहले आप ये सोचें कि लड़की अपना खानदानी डेटा लेके यहाँ बिजनेस आइडिया प्रेजेंट करने आ गई है. Let me clarify, ऐसा नहीं है. In fact, 2023 की study है by McKinsey which states that over 70% of urban Pakistani women want to shop for beauty and wellness products online but are dissatisfied with the limited options available and most importantly authenticity concern.
और तभी हमें क्लिक हुआ कि why not we start Beyond Borders, which is currently an online beauty store for international brands, but we aim to build it into Pakistan's most trusted online beauty destination, जो कि ना सिर्फ प्रोवाइड करेगा क्वालिटी ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स but also a whole experience through exceptional customer service and beauty recommendations powered through AI tools. Sharks, My name is Alishba Naveed and I am the co-founder of Beyond Borders.
And Sharks, my name is Aiza Naveed and I am the founder and CEO of Beyond Borders. And today we are here to ask you to join our mission. For this, our ask is 1 crore rupees and your expertise against 10% equity in our firm.
This is Alishba and Aiza. Trading has always existed, so within that आपने अपनी niche ढूंढी है, margins भी ठीक हैं. I'm sure आप वक्त के साथ grow करते रहेंगे. मेरा कोई particular उस तरह से passion नहीं बन रहा इस particular business के लिए. But I think you guys are good entrepreneurs. Brand also looks good. I'm out, but I wish you all the best.
So I'm also out, and I think आपको enough advice मिल गई है. So my point of view is same. So I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
मैं भी आपको बताता हूँ. Unfortunately, I'm also out क्योंकि मसला ये है कि जो जिस सेगमेंट को आप टारगेट कर रहे हैं ना, वो अपने टेल आइटम्स या जब उनके ख़त्म हो जाएं and they don't have a trip planned abroad, वो चीज़ें ऑर्डर करते हैं, right? So it's already a slightly kind of like niche market. उसके अंदर भी दुबई यहाँ से जाके लोग खुद जाके वो they accumulate all of the orders from like their close relatives and friends as well. So I don't know if it can really take up and scale to a level जहाँ पे as an investment it would become interesting for us. So unfortunately for that reason I'm out.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
आपने बताया कि 14% आपके returning customers हैं. Do you think that's a good number for the sector?
I feel like 6 months के अंदर ये achieve करना is a very good number because you have to keep in mind makeup products कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं होती जो कि 6 महीने में खत्म हो जाती है. If a person has bought one lipstick from our store and they like our service, they're going to come back and they're going to get 2-3 other products like mascara ले लिया, foundation ले ली.
यही मेरा follow up सवाल होना था कि वो वापस आके वही चीज़ दोबारा ले रहे हैं या
वो different चीज़ें लेते हैं.
Look, मेरा फैसला बना लिया and it was very tough because I really like you. You've got really wonderful energy और माशाल्लाह आप दोनों ने it's a great platform, brand भी अच्छा है. I can see the problem, but मुझे लगता है 2-3 चीज़. एक है कि definitely elite market problem है और ये elite market थोड़ा कम है पाकिस्तान में. और even यहाँ Shark Tank पे हमने काफ़ी companies जो exactly आपकी model hi-fi वगैरह काफ़ी आई है. So इस वजह से I would have to be out, but I really wish you all the success and I think you've built something amazing.
Thank you so much.
I can give you guys an offer. ठीक है, जो आपकी ask है. 1 crore आपने 10% के लिए मांगा था, मुझे 1 crore 50% के लिए चाहिए. Because there's no other sharks on the table, but also because I think कि आपका profitable business है. पाकिस्तान में it is a privilege problem as well. दूसरा reason है. और मुझे primary problems पर काम करना पसंद है. Education हो गया, वो energy होगी, something that is primary to the country I like working on. But I love female founders, which is why I'm trying to give a deal on the table. It's 50% equity, but also on the top line, which means revenue पर भी royalty चाहिए.
Okay.
At 30%.
Obviously, it's a bit too downgraded, but thank you so much, Alina, for saying all those words.
आप कुछ counter कर सकती हैं.
आप counter कर सकती हैं.
कुछ हो सकता है.
Counter, honestly, for me.
But I think difference ज़्यादा है. But
difference will मेरा counter होगा उसमें काफी difference होगा.
आपका counter क्या है?
It's 15% against.
No, I was gonna go down to 40.
Okay, nah.
Maximum 30.
Yeah.
30 तक वो आ गई है अगर आपको कुछ interest
40 तक आई हूँ, but चले.
All right, so sorry, your last offer was 30%.
अच्छा, थोड़ा सा मैं जरा देखता हूँ. तो आपकी अभी तक काउंटर है at 20%. You're at 40, and with royalty as well. कुछ लग रहा है आपको बीच में कोई बात बनने का?
I don't think so. I'm so sorry. It's just going to be very unfair.
Wish you the best of luck.
Thank you so much, Shark.
I think it's a great business for you guys to run yourselves and to take care of yourselves. So well done. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
Shukriya.